Hey, Dan, one last one here from what I can tell is, what if I need to order a replacement label?
Oh, very good. This sometimes happens. Perhaps the asset is going through some type of maintenance or cleaning, and the cleaning damages the label, be it the barcode or the label fell off, whatever the case may be. You can easily order a replacement label, but again, it's going to come down to knowing what the data was that you applied to that asset. And one easy way to check is go back to your verification reports. That's one way to see what the serial numbers were, the part number, or any in-house reference that you have. But in order to make that replicate, you need the exact data. Again, you never ever want to run into a situation where you have applied a UID label to an asset, reported that asset to the government, and then try to put a different UID label by using the wrong serial number, let's say, and creating a new UID to that asset. So that is essential.
That's right. For every asset, there's one license plate. That's it.
For its entire life cycle.
For its entire life. Yep. Good.